Let's go back in history over 1,000 years to Cairo. Meet Al-Haytham, one of the greatest scientists of all time. Around the year 1000, Al-Haytham was tasked with controlling the Nile floods. When he realized it was impossible, he pretended to be insane and was placed under house arrest. During his imprisonment, he studied light. He was confined in a dark room with a hole. He discovered the light coming from the hole, a huge circle showing the outer world. This is when he discovered light travels in straight lines, creating the camera obscura effect. He wrote the Book of Optics, challenging Greek theories and explaining that we see because light reflects off objects and enters our eyes. His work laid the foundation for modern optics and influenced future scientists like Kepler and Newton. Imagine changing the world's understanding of light while under house arrest. What would you discover?